We are covering the another route, go left, which is Huron Church. So most probably they will take you to the east side, but chances are they might use the Huron. So now, right now we are covering the Huron. Stop complete, check right, left and go right. Go right, in the right lane. Good. Now slow down is written here. So you will stop complete for 3 seconds, check right left, because behind the wall person can cross. 1 2 3 go. Now we are making a left on the Dougal. Go. Now we are covering the EC Row west route. Again I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arif and I am from Rajput Driving School, Windsor. So again we will stop behind the crosswalk. We will only go once it is super safe.
Oh no.
So now we are good. Good.
But there's a car coming.
Go. If you can, if the distance was safe, if you feel comfortable, you can go. If you are not feeling comfortable, wait till it's clear. If you are taking 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes here, that's okay, because this Dougal is so busy. If somebody is making a left from here, be careful. If somebody is coming from the opposite side from the parking, be careful. What is the speed of the road here,
50.
Ahmad? 50. Ahmad has tomorrow, Ahmad is from Bangladesh. He has tomorrow road test in the morning 8 o'clock, and he is going directly from G1 to G. So Ahmad, while you are driving, what you supposed to do? Ahmad Akbar Anthony, means you are looking or observing in 3 mirrors: center mirror, side view mirror on the right, side view mirror on the left. Very good. Now you are making a right from the light. Keep going. Up till now you are in the 50 km/h road, which is Dougal. And now next one is the OLED. If you see on the light, it's OLED. Keep in your mind that if people wait over there and you have a red, don't make a right. Why they are waiting over there on the red? They are waiting for these people. They have a green arrow. So therefore don't make a right if people waiting over there. Go right from here. Now you have green. What is the speed of the road?
60.
What is the name of the road? OLED. Examiner might do the lane change here, so please go to the left lane. Good. Please come to the right. Come to the right lane. He is going slow crossing. Cross him. Yeah, cross him. If you go little up, no problem. Go right. And now EC Row west. Right indicator and go EC Row. Never apply the brake on the yield sign. Just check right, left and go. Go. Yes, that's good. Check, look over the shoulder, because you will check
whether anyone is
coming. Make sure nobody is coming. Go. Keep going. Stay in the right lane. Here you will look over the shoulder, because a motorist can come on the left side. Okay, go now. Speed up. Speed up. Now find a good gap in which you will merge with the speed, with the highway speed. Left indicator, look over the shoulder, and now you have a big gap. Let him go. You are good. You are good. Don't go. Now change it. So you have a 3-car gap or 3 to 4 second gap. You are good. If the front car is going 85 or 90, follow him. Don't overtake. If the car is going slow, like 65, 70, then overtake him and again come back to the right lane. Okay? Keep going. Lane change. Left indicator. Look over the shoulder. Nobody on the left. Safely move to the left. Now come to the right. Right indicator. Look over the shoulder. Nobody on the right. Come to the right. Good. Now we are exiting on the Huron Church. Let him go. Let him go. Don't accelerate. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Now accelerate. Accelerate. Go 100 and then do it. Understand? Now onward from single lane, this road will make 2 lanes. So now we will go in the left lane. Left indicator and go to the left lane. Left. Now you will make a left here, and we have double green arrow. So how many car will pass on double green arrow?
7 to 8.
7 to 8 car.
Yes.
Again, make a habit. Once you are crossing the intersection, observe, check right and left. Good job. What is the speed of the road?
60.
What is the name of the road?
EC road.
Huron.
Huron.
This is Huron. Now, what you are doing mistake? Give the right indicator. Try to come. She will say, don't change the lane. Stay in the left lane, because not from this light, next light we are making a U-turn. So please don't. But your job is to give the right indicator and show to the examiner that once I am making a left and it's a 2 or 3 lane road, I supposed to be in the right lane. Because by default driving lane is a right lane. Okay, now we are making a left from the traffic light. Look over the shoulder. Once you are going in the left lane, you should go with the speed.
Same speed.
Same speed, means 60. Good job. Now left. Again, once you cross the intersection, make a habit to scan it. Like a Shah Rukh Khan. Left. Means we are doing acting like a Shah Rukh Khan, okay? So now we are making a left on the Huron. This is, what is the meaning for the arrow?
One-way road.
One-way road. It means all 3 lanes going in the same direction. What is the meaning for the 4 light?
Because there's going to be an arrow.
One arrow with the green light. So how many cars will pass with the 1 arrow?
2 to 3 cars.
2 to 3 car. And we have free lane. Where you will go first? Leftmost?
Closest left lane.
Closest left lane. Good. Go now. Very good. Excellent. And now?
Right.
Right. What is the speed of the road?
60.
Excellent. Now where we are going?
EC road.
EC road east. Good job. So while you are changing the lane here, be careful. Watch your upcoming car. You should have a safe cap while you are changing the lane. This 50 speed just an information, okay? So whatever speed on the ramp you can manage, you will go. But keep your car in between the yellow line and the white bicycle lane. Now from here you will scan how much gap you are getting on the upcoming car. Now we have a good gap. So increase the speed, go to the 100 and don't change. Sustain the speed. Don't change. Don't change. Look over the shoulder. Once it is safe, change the lane. Awesome job. Great job. You are Superman. Yeah. Now change the lane to the left. Left indicator, nobody on the left, and he is changing the lane and his speed is 100. Okay, change the lane to the right. Same speed. Good job. Ahmad, tomorrow you are past, man.
Hopefully.
Now we will exit on the Duga. Ahmad has programmed to buy Lexus 350. God bless him. Right indicator, look over the shoulder. Make sure once you are crossing the dotted line, you should match the road speed. Oh, highway speed. What is the highway speed?
100.
100 means in between 98 to 105.
Yes.
Now again, 50 is just an information. Whatever you can manage here, you can manage. You can manage whatever is safe. Don't say manage 100 speed on the turn. Stay in the left lane. Yep, you are good. Now how many arrow will on here?
2 arrows.
2 arrow. How many car will pass?
7 to 8.
7 to 8 car will pass. Now this is a good distance. You can see your front car tire.
Yes.
Good. You are observing right and left. आते जाते हुए मैं सब पे नज़र रखता हूँ. नाम अब्दुल है मेरा, सबकी खबर रखता हूँ. In this way you are checking right, traffic light and left. Good job. Examiner always say go to the left lane because 2 lane is coming out from the highway. Examiner will always say go to the left lane because he want to check that after making a left either you are coming right or not, and how you are come to the right safely. Yep, good. This is your job. Once you are making a left, again come to the right is your job. 1 car gap.
Will the examiner may tell me to stay on the left here?
Yeah. Once you are on the ramp, they will say stay on the left. So they want to check. Once you are on the So once you are on the ramp, now we will use this light. Okay. Last time we used the other light. Okay. So left indicator boss and change the lane to the left because we are making a left from the traffic light. Good. You have a safe gap from front and the rear car. Good job. And traffic light left. What is the speed of the road?
50.
Yeah, don't give the indicator from here. People might think you are going there. Give the indicator here now. Look over the shoulder. Same speed. Once you are exiting, same speed you will go in the left lane. Yep. Now 1 car will stop inside the intersection. Grey car is already in, and the rest of the other car will wait behind the stop line. Now on yellow only 1 car will pass, which is inside the intersection. Now this car is clearing. He left. Now how many green arrow here on this light?
2.
2 arrow.
Yes.
2 arrow with green light.
Yes.
So 7 to 8 car will go.
Yes.
Go. Go. Good job. Don't touch the dotted line. Very good. What is the speed of the road?
50.
50. What is the name of the road?
Dougal. Yes.
Good. While you are driving, what you supposed to do?
Check the mirrors.
Check the mirror. Okay. Amar, Akbar and Anthony. If you are next to the white line on the right side, you will land in the right lane. If you are next to the left white line, you will land in the left lane.
Okay.
We are not allowed to do the lane change where?
On the intersection.
On the intersection and on the
sorry?
Railway track.
Oh, yes. So right now we are on the correct.
Yeah. It's a single lane, so we don't need to. Okay, now go. Now we are ending our road test. Last one I record 16 minutes, and I think once we will reach it's 15 minutes. So this one looks like short. Okay, go. And we are making a right where the Pulse or Subway is written. And we have a red and black mark. We are going in the right one. Go. And you will end up at the back side of the drive test center where the road test starts. And I forget to tell you, examiner will ask 3 questions. What he will ask the 3 questions, Ahmed? How many times you go
on the highway?
On highway 400 series.
Okay.
So, and how many times you go on 80 series highway, and per trip on the highway, how many kilometers you travel. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. We are parking. We are ending our G test and parking safely on the left side. Yep. Okay, boss. Good luck for tomorrow. Thank you very much.